guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva if you're going to create a newsletter template. Alright, so log into your Canva account at canva.com. And once you log in, you will see this homepage. And once you see this, hit on templates. And then you can just search here, newsletter. There you go. There you go. And then you can choose among the available templates, or if you want to create a blank newsletter and you'll be the one to create it, then you can go ahead and proceed to click on clicking this. But for now, I'm going to choose this one and then hit customize this template. There you go. You can already edit everything here. I hope that this video helped you. Thanks for watching.